Welcome you all. Now we are going to discuss about how to use freeze bin option in Excel. For freeze bin option, go to view, select freeze bin. Suppose I want to freeze my top of the row, I can select this one and freeze top row. So now my top of the row only freezed. I can move down like this. Suppose I want to freeze my first column, this column alone. Keep my cursor, go to freeze bin and freeze first column. The first column alone will be freezed, so I can move like this. So this column will be freezed. So this is for freezing first row and first column. Suppose I want to freeze multiple columns and multiple rows. How we can use the freeze bin option? So here first we can unfreeze. Suppose I want to freeze from this column and these rows. So here if I am using this freeze bin, so the first two column will be freezed and these four rows will be freezed. Now let us see how to freeze rows and columns simultaneously. For example, I need these two columns should be freezed and these rows should be freezed. So for that, just click here. For our understanding, I make different color. From this cell I want to freeze. For that, go to view, freeze bins. Now these two column is freezed and this heading also freezed. So if I scroll down, I can get like this. So easily I can able to identify the heading and I can know the column heading also. So this is the simple method for freezing multiple rows and columns. Next, let us see how to split this Excel sheet into multiple windows for easy usage. For example, I want to split my Excel sheet as a two window from this point. So now go to split. Here we have vertical and horizontal line. So now I can use my window like this. This is one. I can see from here like this, and here we have one more separate window. I can use like this. This is other window. In case I don't want this vertical line, I can move and drag it outside. We have only two window. One is this one, other one is lower, this one. So we can split the one Excel sheet into two window. Suppose I want to close this, double click. Now we have get the as usual sheet. Now go to split. We can split in two window. One is this side. We can move like this, and other one is this window. So we can move this side like this. So we can easily see the informations whatever we want using this window. Suppose I want to cancel this, double click, we can cancel. For horizontal split, from here I want to split, click here, go and split. So from this point, window split it into two, one, other one is here. This is a simple method for splitting Excel into multiple windows for easy access and visualization of the data whatever we need. Thank you for watching.